All forms of tobacco use are dangerous.
There are over 7,000 chemicals inside cigarette smoke, 250 which are very harmful, such as hydrogen cyanide, ammonia, and carbon monoxide. Of those 250 chemicals, 69 are cancerous.
Hookah smoke contains high levels of toxic compounds including tar, carbon monoxide, heavy metal, and cancer-causing chemicals.
All Juul e-cigarettes contain a high level of nicotine. According to the Juul manufacturers, a single Juul pod contains as much nicotine as a pack of cigarettes.
More nicotine is absorbed by chewing tobacco than smoking. Using chewing tobacco is a risk factor to the development of oral cancers. Other health risks of using chewing tobacco include tooth decay, tooth loss, and gum disease.
Hookah smoke can cause lung, bladder, and oral cancer. In fact, hookah smokers are exposed to more carbon monoxide and smoke than regular cigarette smokers.
Babies born to women who smoke hookah daily weigh less on average compared to babies born to non-smokers. Children also born to women who smoke hookah daily are at more risk for respiratory diseases.
Tobacco is a problem in our community. If you or someone you know is struggling with tobacco addiction, there is help available. In Minnesota, Quit Partner is a free service available to both youth and adults. Visit www.quitpartnermn.com or call 1-800-QUIT now.